Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW 330i xDrive M Sport Edition in mineral white metallic with the Tacora Red interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW 330i xDrive M Sport Edition in mineral white metallic. So I'm just going to press unlock, get the headlights on, and let's do a little bit of pathway lighting. So I'm just pressing the panic button on the key here. So we got the full low beam system on. M Sport Edition obviously has the M Sport package, and it looks kind of like M Sport Pro is on here as well, because you've got everything blacked out. You got red brakes. So let me just do a lap all the way around. I'm in the corner of the delivery bay, so kind of tight here, but it's okay. We can make it work. So now that we have done our full lap, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got mineral white metallic. The color looks slightly darker than Alpine white, and there's a little bit of that metallic flake in there as well, which looks really nice. And really accents the body lines coming down the hood lengthwise. We got the rondelle up front. Please excuse my shadow. We got the one-piece blacked out kidney grille with the vertical double slats, and the active grille is behind there as well. Down on the lower grille area, more active grille shutters, functional air coming into the brake ducts. So that looks really good. And of course, 3 Series front end looks awesome. Love it. And if we take a closer look at the headlights, we do have the shadow line BMW LED headlights here. So love all those intricate designs in there, and the inverted double L shape really looks good. And there's the low beams on. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch double spoke 995M wheels in jet black. And if you do get the M Sport Edition, it does come with all-season tires, just FYI. And we've got the red M Sport brake back there as well. Love the contrast. The red brake caliper really pops here. And on the side of the car, on the fender, we've got this cutting body line that goes up through the doors. Original door handles with the touch comfort access retained on all 4 door handles. We've got body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal and side camera. Sunroof up top. This car is sold, big bow on top. New style antenna, and this car was tinted, so that's why it looks even better with that. Looks really good with the contrast, black and white. There is your rear 995M wheel in jet black. Black spoiler on the trunk lid. L-shaped taillights at the back here. We've got the xDrive badging and the 330i badging, and we've got the backup camera down here. Vertical reflectors on each side, dual exit exhaust, and the rear diffuser's back here. So since I'm back here, I got the key, give a kick underneath. So once that opens up, got some carpeted mats down here, release levers at the top on each side to fold the seats down in a 60-40 split. Little plastic bin there, I can see a box here with the wheel lock keys. And netted area on this side, so let me just lift this up. And down here, there's your tow hook. So I'm gonna just put the wheel lock key and the tow hook together. And there's actually a spot down there for the wheel lock key, but I'll sort that out after the video. And grocery bag hangers here as well, don't forget that. Button to close and lock, but we can kick our foot. Get it to close the hands-free way. Passenger side, we do have the fuel cap door connected to the central locking system. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, 1 click to open this, spot to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise, 1 click, and then you can shut the door. Now if I open the back door here, look at that. Whoosh. We got Tacora Red interior. We've got the galvanic controls, Harman Kardon sound system, and here's a nice shot of the seats back here. Center headrest can flip up or down, armrest in the center with some cup holders, pass through the center here with this little lever. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's also some winter mats down here. There's also some more ventilation down here. Sorry, the camera's going wonky. Up top, reading lights. Got a handle with the coat hanger up top as well. So let's shut this door. And let's open up the front passenger door next. So once I open that up, Tacora Red on the inside here, galvanic controls, there's an ambient light strip, door pocket, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, and manual under the thigh extension here. Headrest is also manually adjusted forwards and backwards and up and down. We've got the new style vents, close, open, direct, carbon fiber interior trim, iDrive 8.5 on the curved display, nice soft touch materials on the dash, glove box down here. We've got the cascading ambient light, I've got the flamingo going on. If I press this down, we do have a wireless charger down there, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug, glass iDrive controller, shifter, and push start button. And if I lift this up, you have your USB Type-C charging port, and a cable can come out underneath here and not be pinched. So let's shut the front door and go to the driver's side next. Okay, if I approach from the driver's side, open that door up. So there we have, again, the Tacora Red inside, unlock, lock, door pull. We've got your memory buttons. Down here we've got all of your galvanic window controls. Makes it so only the driver controls the windows, side mirror controls. You can press that to open, pull and hold to close the tailgate while the key is inside. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar. Looks awesome. And here's your flat bottom steering wheel with 6. I'm at 6 o'clock, black marker at 12 o'clock, and steering wheel looks good. Head up display, and this does have 360 camera, and it also has some self-parking stuff as well. So automatic back park, automatic parallel park, and it just has regular cruise control in this package. You also get the garage door openers here as well. Up top we've got the reading lights, SOS for roadside assistance, and if I pull down the visor here, open the mirror, the light turns on, visor can come out and it can extend as well. And we've got some microphones on the ceiling here and here on each side, and got a handle on each side at the top. So now that we've had a look in here, let's have a look under the hood and see what powers this beast. Let me just step out. And down here you can see that we've got the winter mats in, M Sport pedals, and then here, pull twice, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo. We have 255 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We've got the positive battery terminal here. We have the negative battery terminal there. We have washer fluid over here. So I think this is a pretty nice package. It comes with some M Sport Pro, some premium stuff. So yeah, looking good, and mineral white looks good. BMWs have 2 latches under the hood, so I just want to send the hood down from about halfway, and that's how we get it to close properly. All right, so before we conclude the video, I'm going to just do one more lap all the way around the car. And yeah, package is really good. I think this is also a really great value. And typically with our M Sport editions, if you lease them, there's some points on the residual value as well. So definitely a great offer to be had. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW 330i xDrive M Sport Edition in mineral white metallic with the Tacora Red interior, black 995s with the red M Sport brakes. I think this is a great combination. So if you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. See you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.